Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Hub. If you've ever wondered about the impact of garlic on your health, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll explore what happens to your lungs when you make a habit of eating garlic twice a week. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest content. The power of garlic has been used for centuries, not only to add flavor to our favorite dishes, but also for its potential health benefits. From boosting the immune system to promoting heart health, garlic is a true superfood. But today, we're focusing on its impact on our respiratory system, specifically our lungs, garlic and lung health. So how does eating garlic affect your lungs? Well, garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. These properties may play a role in supporting respiratory health. Allicin, the wonder compound. Allicin is released when garlic is crushed or chopped, and it's responsible for that distinctive garlic aroma. This compound has been studied for its potential to combat infections and reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial for your lungs. Immune-boosting properties. Eating garlic regularly may also give your immune system a boost. A strong immune system is crucial for defending your body against respiratory infections such as the common cold or flu. By supporting your immune system, garlic could indirectly contribute to maintaining healthy lungs. Boosting immunity with garlic. Keep in mind that while garlic can be a helpful addition to a healthy diet, it's not a substitute for other good health practices like regular exercise and proper hydration. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation in the lungs can be a key factor in respiratory issues. The anti-inflammatory properties of garlic may help reduce inflammation, providing relief for individuals with conditions like asthma or chronic bronchitis. Of course, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any existing respiratory conditions. They can provide personalized advice based on your health history. In conclusion, incorporating garlic into your diet twice a week could potentially have positive effects on your lung health. From its antibacterial and antiviral properties to immune system support and anti-inflammatory effects, garlic is truly a powerhouse in promoting overall well-being. That wraps up today's video on the impact of eating garlic on your lungs. If you found this information interesting, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to comment below if you have any questions or if you've experienced positive changes by adding garlic to your diet. Thanks for joining us today on Natural Hub. Until next time, stay healthy and keep making those wise food choices. See you in the next video.